Hey everyone, Saphira here, and today I'm finally back with Eiren your OC, and this time I picked, if the camera will focus, Fenwynn with the original character Eiren or Eiren. I hope I pronounced it correctly, I'm sorry if I did not. So first of all, I want to apologize that it took forever to create this video. I have been really busy lately and not feeling so well, and I'm currently a freelance illustrator and graphic designer, and I got some jobs to do this October, and I also had, as you know, Inktober to do, so it all was a bit too much, and I have had a lot of stress this October, and I am still stressed and obviously I didn't have time to continue the Eiren your OC series, so it took a bit long to finally create this video, but it's here. So thank you for waiting. So as I have mentioned before, this will be the last original character I will draw, at least for now. I've drawn 20 original characters, and I mean that is quite a lot now I think about it. So I'm just taking a break with the original characters, but don't be sad, I might do more in the future, but not now. I also wanted to ask you if you're interested in seeing all the original characters together. I think it could be a fun video, and maybe we can see some improvement in my art as well. At least I hope that I improved. It would be fun to see them all together, I think, so let me know if you're interested in some sort of original characters sketchbook tour. I'm not sure how to call it, but just vote in the poll and I will see the results if you like it or not. And that will be something for the future, so yeah, just let me know. So that's it for this video for now. I just want to thank everyone who participated in the Eiren your OC series, and seeing all your beautiful original characters really made me happy and I really enjoyed drawing them. So thank you so much for all the support with the series. It really means a lot, and just thank you so much. And I'm gonna go now, but please enjoy the rest of the video and expect more videos soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye!